The video on this Potts chicken stock that I bought that I wasn't that impressed with, but I'm not going to waste it. I don't know about it. I found the taste. I was like, it doesn't taste like any chicken stock I've ever tasted. And there's that scum on top. Underneath it looks clearer. I don't really know why that's like that. So it's all right, but it tastes more like beer. But we'll so I'm going to cook this chicken. I need to cook some chicken for my mum, just to make her life a little bit easier. So we might as well use this chicken stock to cook this chicken and see what kind of happens. And if it is a bit cloudy, the proteins in the chicken might just clarify up the stock. You see, it's not that. Maybe I should have shaken it before I used it, but there's sediment down the bottom as well. It's just a bit. I don't know. I just wasn't that impressed with it. But I've never been impressed with stocks that I bought anyway. So let's just poach this. Cooking things I'm faffing about with. So let's just poach this chicken in this chicken stock and see what happens. Cooking instructions. Ready to use. Storage. Ingredients: water, chicken stock base, probably Knorr. Chicken stock, chicken bones, chicken fat, water, salt, yeast extract. That's why it tastes like beer. Yeast extract, salt flavourings, something or other. Rosemary extract, salt, sugar, acidity regulators, lactic acid. Alright. Okay. So, yeah, I understand that. Although I don't know why it says stock, chicken bones, chicken fat. Why'd they have to? Anyway, I don't know. But let's poach that chicken in that stock and see what happens. It won't make the chicken taste horrible, but it might just taste different once it's had something cooked in it. But in that state, straight out of the can, I don't think it's very nice. But we shall return. Just out of interest, it's coming up to simmer, and already the proteins are, well, I'm sure it's proteins, but it's starting to coagulate because of the chicken in there. So I think the longer we cook it, I think it'll start to clear up, and we might get quite a clear stock. Maybe as the scum and the sediment kind of get pushed to the top, we'll kind of see what happens. Chicken's poached. I put the lid on, so the chicken's wasn't going to clarify it up. It probably would have done if I left the lid off, but the chicken started poking out at the top of the stock, and I was concerned that it wasn't going to cook properly, and I don't want to poison my mum, do I? So, how's its taste now? It probably would have cleared up if I left the top off, but we'll never know, will I? Because I'm not going to buy any more. It's alright. Tastes better now it's had some chicken cooked in it. Yes, it's alright. But to be honest, for the price of it, you'd be better off with a chicken stock cube and a little bit of yeast extract. Would probably do the job just as well. But yeah, it's alright. It's alright if you cook with it. I wouldn't use it. But there we go. A success, because we found out something. That's really stretching that one out, but you know. I left it for 10 minutes, and it looks like it's almost like coagulating. Is that the right kind of word? So can we put some of this cooking liquid through a cloth to get out the sediments, impurities, and will it run crystal clear underneath? We shall find out. It's looking good, looking good, looking good, looking good, looking good. That's enough of that. Don't have to do it all, we just need to do some. So that's clarified up, isn't it? a spoon. I'll get back to that. So that's clarified. Look at that. Look at that. Almost crystal clear. Almost crystal clear. So, let's taste some of it. That's much nicer. That's much nicer. So, we can take something that I didn't think was too good, and we can cook some chicken in it. Gently, not on a rapid boil. And the chicken will cause the impurities to all bind together. And then we'll be able to pass it through a cloth and get a clear, quite nice tasting cooking liquor stroke chicken stock. But there we go. So that is a success. That is a success.